Today's menu in the kitchen is breakfast. Today we're going to talk about the multiple layers of breakfast, and we're going to do a dive into some of the aspects of each part of this important meal. So join me. I have toast here. Toast is a grain. Grain is important in balancing the meal. If I wanted a more heart-healthy food, I'd have a bowl of Cheerios. Oh wait, I have a bowl of Cheerios right here. One thing you might not know about me is I'm lactose intolerant. What on earth do I have with my cereal? Here's a shocker. I eat it dry, y'all. But that confession brings me to the point in the video where we give you a look at what's happening next time in the Cooking with DJ MasterChef kitchen. We will be discussing breakfast beverages, side dishes, and ways to cook it all. So until then, I'm gonna get cooking. You guys keep cooking, and I'll see you next time in the Cooking with DJ MasterChef kitchen.